Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Valerie Dison and today I'm going to make this very almost lavender looking eyeshadow look today, and it didn't go as planned. I was looking for more of a darker look, but whatever, it's pretty. I'm happy with it. Some of the steps might not be necessary. I'm going to go in with the JOA Truly Yours Dark Circle Corrector, and my color is in Brightener, and I'm going to just dot these and make it to be like a tacky base for my eyeshadow, but then again I'm going to cover it with powder. It's going to be basically my eyeshadow primer. Then I'm going to use my beauty sponge, and I forgot what brand this is. And then CoverGirl Clean Professional Powder to set it. I love this powder so much. If you can get over the old school CoverGirl smell, it's absolutely perfect. Then I'm going to use my Jeffree Star Jawbreaker palette, and I'm going to use this gumdrop color right here. And I'm going to make a, transition color out of this color. Like I said, some of the steps are not necessary, so play with your own thing. This is the Isadora Quad, and it is called, 37 Crystal Mauve, and I don't know how I feel about that palette. And this is the Kaya, I think I pronounced it right, that Extra Hydration Moisturizing Setting Spray that I'm spraying on the brush. And as you can tell, I try to use the brush, then I try to use the finger. Like I said, I don't know my thoughts on this Isadora Quad yet. I'm using these Gentle Steps baby wipes because they're so much cheaper than any other wipes that I could find to get fallout with. And as you can tell, I'm pretty much going to cover all of this up. So yeah. Now I'm going in with the J.Cat Vanity Goddess Chromatic Pigment, and this one is in the color Fourth Dimension. It has like a purple reflect. Now I'm going in with the LA Colors lashes, and I think they're called Dainty. I can't remember. In my Kiss eyelash adhesive. And putting my lashes on. Now the JOA Lash Up Mascara to blend in my falsies, since I forgot to do that before putting on my lashes. I have been really enjoying the JOA Instant Prime Activator Hydrating and Brightening Primer, but I will say it does nothing for your pores. But the other one, they do have a pore filling primer that does pretty good too. Then back in with the JOA Dark Circle Corrector, and I'm actually using it as a, concealer. And now I'm using the Catrice HD Liquid Coverage Foundation that Ida sent me on the last box swap, and I must say I absolutely love this foundation. It's just so easy to use. It's foolproof. Going in back with my CoverGirl Clean Professional Powder in 105. And I really concentrate under the eyes and below my nose because those are more watery areas or sweaty areas. Then the JOA Brow Precision Brow Pencil, and I think the color is medium brown, maybe. But get whatever color works for your brows. I have all the products listed in my description box below in case you're wondering what exact color are the products. More close up and personal. Now I'm just going under the lower lash line with that same purple color from the Jeffree Star palette, in the color Gumdrop, using the mascara, get my bottom lash line. Now I'm gonna use, my baby got me some water. No, saying thank you. She was asking if I was recording. This is the Sunkissed Pretty Sunkissed Bronzer. I cannot find where we in the US can get it, but I will link what I can down below. But that was from Ida too, and it is it's like a drugstore bronzer, but we can't get it. But it's beautiful. Milani eyeshadow trio. I'm using the light color out of it, and let's see what this palette is called. It is the Milani 02 Floral Fantasy Rose Powder Blush. And I put it on my cheeks and my nose. Then the Ofra highlighter in Beverly Hills. Then the INDY, what was that called? INDY Beauty in the color, I don't know, but it's a pretty color. Then I'm using the Milani lip liner, and this was the color 120 French Rose to line my lips. And I'm just going in with Kaya setting spray. All links down below. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you would like to see next. And yeah, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe because it helps your girl's channel out. And I will see you buddies next time. Bye.